Okay, time for another unboxing. This time it's the On 4K Pro, which is from Walmart, and it's just about sold out every place. They're completely sold out online. I was looking it up yesterday, thinking about buying it online, and then I looked at it this morning, and boom, it was already gone, sold out, and there were hundreds of people ahead in their cart. And so I looked at local stores. There were two. One was really far away, and one was not too far away. So I go there, and of course the case where they're supposed to be is empty, and the clerk says, "Yeah, well, yeah, they're just, we don't know where they are." So finally, I got somebody to go in the back and find it, and sure enough, they had a bunch of them. So if they don't have it at the store, make sure you ask somebody to look for it. Yeah, that's Louis the Cockatiel mouthing off, by the way. Okay, so let's do this unboxing. So I got my Jaguar knife here. Push this button. Try not to cut myself with this mini switchblade. There we go. And there we go. And let's open her up. So I'm really interested to see what the remote looks like, because there seems to be a lot of different opinions about the remote. And so later on I'll go over the specs and everything. So let's get into this baby. So we have a quick start guide right there. Quick start guide. Google TV. That's the main attraction here. You're getting a Google TV box. And so yeah. So my main appeal to this is I've already got an Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. It works fine. My main attraction is the USB input, so I can take my stuff, my videos, whatever, and put them in on a flash drive, and then play them. So that's my big deal. All right, nice packaging. So it's got it all the inputs and everything are described in this plastic outer piece right here, which is really cool. DCN, USB 3.0, HDMI. It includes an HDMI cable, 5 foot long, Ethernet connection. There's a reset button. They clearly show you here that you want this near your TV set, so it says at least 12 inches away from your TV. And the reason for that is so that I guess the IR blaster can reach it. That's my guess. So, yeah. It says, see quick start guide for more information. Over on the side here, it has the mic switch. There's a mic switch right here so you can turn off the mic. And that's it for that. Okay, so let's see what else is in the box here. Okay, there's the remote. Aha! Boy, this on the Walmart site, this remote does not look like this. There are review sites saying this is what it looks like, but you go to Walmart's page and it doesn't look like this. There's the big free TV button that some people say is missing. So I'll be very curious if this is the backlit model, because some of these have a backlit feature and others don't. So I'll be very curious. Yeah. Oh, it was The Verge. The Verge website said that they showed it with the free TV button, but like people pointed out in their comments, when you look at the Walmart site, this free TV button is not there. Interesting. So mine has the free TV button. Cool. All right. Takes 2 AAA batteries, and it includes the batteries, I'm told. Let's dig in the box and find out. Oh yeah, because there's the HDMI cable at the bottom there. There's the power brick right there. Not too big. Not too big. And oops, there goes quick start guide. And I don't see any batteries in here. Maybe they're inside this little humping here? I don't know. Not seeing them yet. No. Turn this baby up. Oh, there they are. Clear on the bottom. What do you know? Alright, so 2 alkaline AAA batteries with a brand name that I had never heard of before. Now this device is made in Vietnam, in case you're curious. Not made in China. So we'll see how it performs after I get it all hooked up. So yeah, I really like this outer piece here that describes all the different inputs and everything. That's really clever. And the fact they tell you how far it needs to be positioned from the TV. Yeah. Yeah, it says 1, connect to your TV. Number 2, connect with power. So, cool. Alright, let me get this baby hooked up and then I'll do a more comprehensive review. What it's all about. I'm super stoked to get one. Like I say, I went to the store and the clerk was clueless. The case was empty of just about everything. They had a couple of old Chromecast boxes they were trying to sell for $50. And that's it. And so I was absolutely insistent that they look, because it said that they had it, and of course their excuse was they never update that. But this is a brand new device. I mean, if they're going to have that, they're going to have it someplace in the store if it says it's available. And sure enough, it was available. So be insistent, be a pest, and maybe you'll get your hands on one. All right, I'll come back with the review. Okay, I got my new on 4K Pro streaming box all hooked up and everything's working fabulous. So took quite a bit of effort. Google wanted me to step through a lot of hoops, but finally got through all of those and boom. So I'm pleased to say that it will play movies from the flash drive if you have a player. So I'm using the VLC player right here, and you can see, boom, it just plays it just fine. So I can't actually play it because copyright. But yeah. So now I'm going to go back and show you a few of the other features. I'm going to hit that. Oh, by the way, my remote is backlit and has the free TV button on it. Now I'm going to hit the mute button and hit the free TV button, and it's going to show what's ever coming up. Free channels from Google TV. So it starts playing right away, so I need to get out of that for copyright reasons. But that's pretty cool. And then I hit the home button, and it shows you your apps. And yeah, very clean display. You know, not a lot of clutter like on an Amazon Fire TV device. And so it casts beautifully too. If I want to cast a video or anything really, a picture, let's say I'm going to cast a picture. So I'm going to get my phone here, and the way I'm going to do it is it's a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So I'm going to click on Files, and then Pictures, and then select Google Photos, and that gives you the access to the Cast button in the top right. So you click on the Cast button, and it says Cast to on streaming device. Click on that, and boom, there it is. It really looks clean and sharp and wonderful. So I'm very pleased with that. So yeah, having the Google, it's basically you're getting a Chromecast here, and you're getting Google TV, and all for $49.88. Get one if you can. They're selling really fast. I mean, I was going to buy it yesterday, like I mentioned in the video, and then boom, they were just gone. And there are hundreds of people with them in their shopping cart. So I went to the store, as I mentioned in the unboxing video, big hassle there. So just if it says they're available there, probably call ahead, talk to somebody in charge if there is such a person, so you can get your hands on one of these puppies. It's really a good deal, and it came with everything, by the way. It came with the USB cord, the batteries for the remote. Oh, and that the pairing of the remote was flawless. It took just a few seconds, and it paired the remote to the device. And you know, I showed you in the unboxing how it said. Here you can see right here on TV right here. Said how you need to be 12 inches away. Well, I can tell you that mine's about 2 inches away, and it works fine. It controls both the TV, a Samsung TV, and the Sony AVR. No problem. Does everything beautifully. So yeah, so far I really haven't had any issues. Highly recommended for the price. Yeah, the only competition of this is the Amazon Fire TV Cube. Thought about getting one of those, but $140 right now. It was on sale last week for $117, but still, that's more than twice the price of this device. And this device works really a lot better in terms of casting. Amazon really isn't designed to cast from your phone at all. So, I mean, I can cast from my phone to a Samsung TV because they're both the same brand, but that's really that's really all it'll do. So, I'm going to end it here. So, well, I can show you a couple more things. Let's see here. Yeah, so there's a whole lot of things you can scroll through to find something to watch. It's a really different experience than watching the Fire TV stick. Things are just laid out a lot cleaner. So I like it a lot. And oh, and then did I mention that I've got the remote with the free TV button, the blue free TV button, and this does have the backlit. This is the backlit remote, so it's probably because this is the very first one. That I don't know. The ones some of the reviewers got one that didn't have this. Maybe they got a model that's different for reviewers. I don't know. But all I know is this one does have the backlit remote, and it's got the find my remote feature. So if you lose the remote in the couch, you can make it beep. I guess it's not going to happen to me. So anyhow, I'm going to hit the power button, and it turned off the TV, but it did not turn off the receiver. That's funny because it will work the receiver's volume and everything, but it didn't turn off the power. But not a big issue. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed the video. Stream on.